If you knew York, why did I not see this question coming? If you knew York, you would know it's a city of a lot of stories that haven't been told yet.
If you knew York the way I knew York, you would love to live here.
You would know it's a great place to raise a family. It's a great place to be part of a faithful community.
If you knew York, you'd understand.
You would know that it's more than what it seems.
People here are very welcoming, in spite of the fact that we've had some setbacks.
Despite our troubled and varied history, it has a lot of potential to move forward and be something that we're all really proud of.
And it is on the brink of something wonderful.
If you knew York, you'd know me. And that ain't a lie.
If you knew York, you'd make friends and stay here.
You'd know a supportive community.
If you knew York, you would love it too.
If you knew York, you would want to live here.
There's a lot of activities that you should participate in.
If you knew York, you'd want to be here. You want to be part of the change. You want to be part of the great things that are going on here.
If you knew York, you know that like the art is where it's at. Like that's it. I mean, York is a work of art. Like it's it's cool.